everyone, and welcome to Fema Cooks and Eats. Today I am making a copycat recipe of the famous Panda Express orange chicken. You are gonna love this recipe. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's sour. Let's get it started. I have about 2 pounds of chicken, which is cut into 1-inch chunks. You can use thighs or chicken breast. I'm taking 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding my salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now whisk all of the dry ingredients together and then add your water. Whisk the batter until everything is smooth and there are no more lumps, and it should be very silky smooth. It's not going to be very runny, but it's also not going to be very thick. You can see the texture right here. I'm now adding a tablespoon of canola oil. Whisk this really well. This is going to make the chicken very crispy, and you can also add 1 egg to the batter, but I skipped the egg. I added all of the chicken chunks to this batter and I'm going to coat it really well. I marinated the chicken in the batter for about 30 minutes. I'm going to fry it in a cup of oil now on medium-high flame. Make sure you don't add all of the chicken at the same time. Just do small batches so that the oil doesn't get too cold when you add the chicken to it. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side to get the chicken to a nice light golden color. As you can see, the chicken is now nicely light golden on one side. I'm going to flip it over. I'm removing all of the chicken onto a tray that is lined with paper towel to remove any excess oil. I'm frying the last batch here, and that's it. All the chicken is done. Let's get started on the sauce. So I left 2 teaspoons of oil in the same pan. I added a tablespoon of crushed or finely chopped ginger. I am adding a teaspoon of crushed garlic. I'm going to saute this for about 10 seconds. Now I'm adding my spices, which are black pepper and red chili pepper flakes. Saute this just for a few seconds. Now I will be adding in my sugars, which is the white sugar and brown sugar. Also adding 1/2 cup of orange juice. Stir all of this up really well. At this point, I'll be adding my soy sauce. I also added some hoisin sauce for flavor. Some rice vinegar. Stir this up and let this come to a boil. I'm adding a little bit of salt now, but make sure you taste the sauce before you add salt. Here I have 2 tablespoons of fresh orange zest. I added that to the sauce as well. I'm now adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch that was dissolved in some water. This is going to thicken up my sauce really well. Also, the sauce should not be overly thick. It's going to just become very lumpy. It should be just like something that can coat the chicken very lightly. As you can see, I've added all of the cooked chicken into the sauce. Give this a good stir. As you can see, the sauce's consistency is more like a syrup. Just stirring this up into the sauce. It looks really delicious and it smells amazing. I'm going to add a little bit of sesame seed oil and give it a good toss. And that's it, friends. The famous Panda Express's orange chicken is that easy to make. You can serve it with white rice, stir-fried rice, or noodles. I served it with a veggie lo mein, and my family really loved it. I do hope whoever is watching will give this recipe a try. It is the real deal, if not better. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, and don't forget, cooking is a skill we all can learn. See you next time.